Hello and welcome to Naughty Daddy's Guide to Computing, from Maths to Minecraft. And previously we've seen that we can make a NOT gate out of a NOR gate. Now we're going to try to make an AND gate out of a NOR gate. So let's have a go at that. So we've got our NOR gate here. So I'm going to take the truth table as well. Okay, and we want to make an AND gate. So let's remember De Morgan's law. Not A and not B is equal to the not of A or B. Well, not A or B, as we can see, is our NOR gate. So if we simply not the inputs of a NOR gate, we can have an AND gate, because these two nots will cancel each other out. So let's do that. What we want to do, I'll just move this out of the way a little bit. I'm going to put a NOT gate on here and a NOT gate on here. And remember, if you want to make a NOT gate, you can do that with an OR gate simply by joining the two inputs together, so we can make our NOT gates. And there we will have our NOR gate. So let's just see what happens if we take this NOR gate with the knotted inputs, which should make an AND gate. So what we need to do now is reverse these inputs. So we're basically just reading up, aren't we? So not A, not B, and this is now our output. Which is basically the NOT of not A or not B. Okay, so that 0 becomes a 1, that 0 becomes a 1. So we're basically counting down. This 0 becomes a 1, this 1 becomes a 0, this 1 becomes a 0, this 0 becomes a 1, this 1 becomes a 0, this 1 becomes a 0, and so what do we have? So we've basically got the NOT. Okay, so this 1 then becomes, so this is not A or not B, not A ORed to not B is going to be a 1, but because it's then knotted, it becomes a 0. Actually, it might be easier if I split this up. So we're not trying to do everything in our heads. So this is not A or not B. Okay, so what do we have? Not A or not B. That or that is going to be 1. That or that is going to be 1. That or that is going to be 1. That or that is going to be 0. and then the NOT of all that is 0, 0, 0, 1, which is indeed our AND gate, which is this one. Okay, so we made an AND gate from a NOR gate. Now let's make an AND gate from a NAND gate. So again, we're going to use De Morgan's law, only this time the gate we're going to use is a NAND gate, and we're going to make an AND. So we have our NAND gate and we want to make it an AND. Well, this time, instead of knotting the inputs, we just knot the output. Very simple. So it's just that output opposite. So if I simply knot that, I'm just going to put NOT out, and that 1 becomes a 0, that 1 becomes a 0, that 1 becomes a 0, and that 0 becomes a 1, and there we have our AND gate. So that was dead easy. So we managed to make an AND gate using both a NOR gate and a NAND gate. In the next video we're going to use a NOR gate, only a NOR gate or only a NAND gate to create an OR gate. I'll see you in the next video.